Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Christian and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I talk about all things personal finance in order to help you succeed on your personal finance journey. In today's video, I'm going to go over a delivery app called Beelivery, where you can deliver groceries and get paid on the delivery fee. It's essentially Uber Eats but for groceries. If that sounds interesting to you, then be sure to smash the thumbs up button and stay around for later on in the video where I discuss, is this a viable option to make a decent income on the side? Is it easy to get started with, and how can you start with this app today? So what is Beelivery? Beelivery is a grocery-based delivery platform where users can sign up and order groceries, snacks, alcohol, things of that nature to their doorstep in about 2 hours or less. And then drivers can sign up and fulfill those orders. The users are paying a premium on the items just to cover the delivery price for the drivers. So I've written down some topics that I want to talk about regarding Beelivery that I'm sure many of you are wondering. The first one is it scalable? And I'm going to come out straight away and say this: I do not believe that this is scalable, because you are really reliant on the customer wanting an order, and also you are limited by time. There's only so many deliveries you can take in a day because there's only so much time you are awake and available to actually do these deliveries. Scalability is one of the main things you need to look at when determining if this is going to be a successful side hustle for you, because scalability means that there's no income cap on it and you're really being paid based on your worth and not the amount of time that you have available for you in the day. So although it's not very scalable, the money you can make is sometimes very good, and you're looking anywhere between £30 on the low end, and then on the really good days, which is usually Sunday, you can make upwards of £200 if everything lines up correctly. So if you're just getting into the side hustle game and you just want some type of way to generate a little bit of extra income, then this is definitely an option for you. So with a few of those topics out of the way, I'll see you back at the office where I'm going to go over the sign up process as well as what a day would look like for you if you want to try out doing a Beelivery delivery. So the driver sign-in, this was a couple of months ago that I first signed up, so I can't remember exactly, but it was a really simple process. I just downloaded the app, went to the driver sign-in, they sent me over an email with a link that I had to click on. And then it's just all of the usual stuff that you have to fill out, such as your driver's license, and then a couple of questions about like vehicle you own. They just do a couple of checks on you, and then they'll send you over a link with a video that you have to watch. It's around 15 minutes long with some basic questions that you have to answer regarding the video. Once that is done, then you're pretty much set to go. You can start taking orders straight away. The whole sign-up process took me about an hour, and I was ready to do my first delivery. So what does a usual delivery look like? So usually I will just be sat around doing work or just chilling, and then I get a notification pop up on my phone with the price and the time. If I click on that pop up, it will take me to the app, and then it will show me what they want, how far it is, and how much I will get paid for that delivery. Once you accept the job, because you can choose to reject or accept the job, if you accept it, then you just head off to your local grocery store. Once you're in the store, you have to write down the price of each individual item that you're picking out that they want. It will come up with a full list of everything that they want. You just have to individually put each price in there. You can offer substitutes if you can't find it or if it's out of stock. And usually the customer is okay with this. Once you've completed the whole order, you just go to the checkout. You have to pay with your own money, but don't worry, this is a really safe process and it will get transferred back into your account the very next day with the delivery fee as well. So for example, if their shopping came to £20 and your delivery price was say £5, just to keep things simple, you pay £20 for the groceries and the next day you'll get £25 put into your bank account. Not exactly sure how it works out with taxes, because you are getting an income for the full amount, so you pay for it and get a delivery price. I'm not exactly sure how that affects your taxable income when it comes to tax-free allowance, so you'll have to look that up yourself, but I'm not entirely sure. Once you've paid, you just take a photo of the receipt, head to the customer's address. Once you're at the address, then you just have to ask for a code that they give you. It's 4 digits. Then they will give you the code, you enter it into the app, and that is everything completed. What drew me to this app over something like Uber Eats or Amazon Flex was that the sign up process is really easy. You don't need, or as far as I know, you don't need any special insurance to actually work for this company. And the freedom that it allows, you can choose or reject any single offer that you get. If you have noticed, you'll notice that I'm in different clothing or the background may look different. It's because this is the next day from the intro clip that I filmed yesterday in my office. I was just a little bit busy yesterday, but I did manage to get some screenshots of all of the orders that came through. So I rolled the B-roll now, so you can actually see all of the orders that I got and the type of stream that you can expect. Some tips that I have for this app is it's usually most busy right in the morning between 6 to 8 a.m. That's the most busy in the morning. Picks up a little at lunchtime, but the evening is the real busy part, especially on the weekends. That is where you can expect most of your deliveries to come through. If you have any club cards, such as Tesco's for example, then that is a great option to go to the Tesco's because you'll be accumulating free club card points on those orders that people are making for you. As well as if you have a credit card that offers cashback, then I definitely recommend using the credit card so you can get cashback and club card points. So it's an extra source of income or free spending money. So final thoughts regarding Beelivery. Is it something that I think you should do? You're in a big city with a lot of supermarkets around you and you have some free time in the evenings or just free time around the day. This is something that I could recommend to you as a beginner or a beginner side hustle, because you can expect to make about 30 to 50 pounds just in your free time per day if you really wanted to commit to this. Who would I not recommend this for? I'd not recommend this to you if you're in a countryside or there's not a lot of local shops around you, because that will take up the majority of your time is just driving to and from the shops as well as being in the shops. Especially if you can't find anything in that shop, you may have to actually go to another shop to find it if the customer requests that. Another person that I would not recommend this to is somebody that doesn't have a lot of free time, because this is a very non-passive source of income. You have to drive to the grocery store and then you have to drive to the customer's house. So that requires a lot of time and patience to actually go through it. It's not something that you can set it and generate a passive income from it. You have to actively manage this. There we have it. Those are my thoughts regarding Beelivery and is it a viable source of side income? If you have any other questions regarding the app, then be sure to drop a comment down below just asking questions. I'm not the most experienced with it, but I do have a month or two experience with the actual app and doing deliveries, so I can give you some insight behind everything that goes on. This is also going to be the first of many episodes in the side hustle season. So if you have any recommendations for side hustles that you want me to try out for you, or if you have any successful ones of your own that I can try out, then be sure to drop a comment and let me know, because I'm sure many people would like to see that. If you've enjoyed this video, then be sure to drop a subscribe to stay up to date with all of these videos that come out. I cover all things personal finance, stock, side hustles and everything of that nature. So if that sounds interesting to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications on so you never miss a video. Also, drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video to let me know that you enjoy this style of content. You can find my socials down in the description. I'm on Instagram, Twitter and TikTok, so be sure to give me a follow there, where I discuss just the behind the scenes and everything that I'm going through on a day-to-day basis. With that being said, it was great having you here, and until next time, peace.